Welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So I think a lot of us are familiar with the GoPro cameras. They're small, lightweight, weather resistant, and they do a great job in capturing videos, especially when you are in motion or there's a lot of action going on. And most often people use these cameras outdoors. But what if you decided to use this GoPro as your main camera indoors? And so that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to be comparing the video quality of the GoPro Hero 7 White versus my LG G5 smartphone versus my Panasonic G85 camera. Now for this comparison, I'm primarily focusing on the video quality and not the audio quality. And all of the videos is going to be shot in 1080p at 60 frames per second because that's something that all of these different devices can do. And so let's go ahead and start off with the first and easy one, and that is my Panasonic G85 camera. Now this can shoot up to 4K, but as I stated earlier, I am shooting this at 1080p at 60 frames per second. And I'm pretty sure that this one's going to have the best video quality overall. But let's go and see how this looks like compared to the GoPro Hero 7 and then versus my smartphone. Okay, so now I'm shooting this with the GoPro Hero 7 White. What you can probably tell right away is that the field of view is much wider, and also the motion is better as well because that's really what GoPro is known for. But overall, what do you think of this video quality from the GoPro? Okay, so now I'm using my LG G5 smartphone. And I think for the majority of people, this will be their main camera before they decide to use anything else, whether it is a GoPro or a regular camera. This is going to be the one that they carry around with them all the time. And if you do decide to get one of the newer smartphones, like maybe the latest Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel, or Apple iPhone, your video quality is going to be way better than what I'm using right now with my older LG G5 smartphone. For fast website hosting and top-notch customer service and features, check out Siteground, the preferred service used at GeekOutdoors.com. For more information, check out the affiliate link in the description area below. And so that's my comparison of shooting video indoors with my GoPro Hero 7 White versus my LG G5 smartphone versus my Panasonic G85 camera. And at least for me, if you want the overall best video quality, then a regular camera is still at the top. Second to that would be my smartphone. And then in terms of the GoPro, I wouldn't really choose this as my main video camera whenever I'm shooting videos indoors, unless there was a certain look that you wanted. So those are all my overall thoughts. If you had any thoughts of your own with any of these different devices, or maybe your own camera setup, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And if you want to see more of my gear reviews, I do have a playlist. I'll leave that in the description area as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Go Content Creators group, where you'll get access to additional videos and content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Go Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side.